Hello everyone. In this video we will learn about the strings in PHP. A string is a sequence of characters. So first of all we will come to this IDE and create a new file here and save it as strings.php, and basic syntax of this PHP. So a string is simply a sequence of characters. Like I'm defining a string. This is the sequence of characters like S, H, A, R. These are different characters which combine together and make a string. As you can see, the type of this variable is string, and it has these many characters. So we will see in this video the different functions used in strings. First I will show you the type of the string. Let us save this file and come to the browser and type here strings, and you can see the type is string and number of characters are 11, and the value is this Sharifuddin. And now coming to IDE, as I will echo first the HTML break. As I said in the first video that we can write HTML inside PHP and PHP inside HTML. This is the beauty of PHP. So now coming to this, now as we have declared the variable str here, and now we will use a function echo, and in here we will type the number of characters in this string, and we had to write dot, and we'll use this function and name of variable. Save this and come to browser, refresh the page. The number of characters in this string, and this value is 11. As you can see, it's 11 here and 11 here. Now coming to IDE. So this was about this function string length. This gives us the length of a string, and we can write a big string here like $str1 equal hello, I am big string. Here. Now we can use a different. First we will write this statement. We'll copy it from here and paste it here, and this I am writing to get output in different lines, otherwise we have to remove this to see it clearly. Now we will use a different function. The function name is str word count. This function gives me the number of words in the string. The string we have to pass as a parameter, like I am passing this str1, sorry, str1. Now saving this and coming to browser and refresh the page, you can see the number of characters, number of words in the string is displayed 6. So coming to IDE, so in this string, first we will print this string also. Hello, I am big string here. So it is 1 2 3 4 5 6, and 6 words are in this string, and here 6 is displayed. Actually it counts the number of words separated by this space parameter here. Like if I will remove this, then 5 will be displayed on the browser. Now it's 5 only. So this was about and the functions in strings. We can use a different function, like first I will copy this, paste it here and here, and I can use a function str or ev to reverse a string. Like here I will reverse dollar of str1. So saving the project and refreshing here, you can see hello, I'm a big string here. So it is reversing the characters. You can see this line is the reverse of this line, and this is showing the number of words in this string. So this was about strings. uh, Please like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.